Have you ever looked at an old photo and immediately been right back in that place where you can feel the emotions in your body that you were feeling at the time? Well, I want to tell you a little story about how that happened to me. In 2025, it was the year for me to take care of all of my health challenges, not only physical health, but mental health as well. I wanted to work with some traumas that I've been through to make sure that they were in my way. I want to enter 2026 unencumbered. And so all year I have been doing trauma therapy. It's a type of somatic therapy where you sit with some really difficult emotions that helps you to begin to integrate and process and release and move through finding the wisdom in those difficult scenarios and those difficult emotions in your life. This is a powerful and amazing process. Highly recommend. Not an easy one. But what I noticed was that when I was coming out of the sessions, I felt really heavy. I was carrying some of those difficult emotions that I was working on processing with me. And that was not great because I really needed to get back to work or get back to my life. And this was making me want to take a nap or eat or comfort myself in some way that maybe is not the most healthy. And so I said, okay, Cynthia, like this is what you do for a living. Your company's called InnerAlly. Like, what do you want? How do you want to feel after therapy? And that's when a picture appeared in my mind. And it was a picture of a time when I was a small child, when I would travel with my family. And when we got home, my dad would scoop me up when I was sleeping out of the van and carry me into my room and tuck me into bed. That picture in my head brought up emotions of being cared for and loved, of safety and security, a really warm emotion. And I thought, that is a great way to feel. And I grabbed my sketching pencil and I sketched a little picture of it so that I wouldn't forget that moment in time. And after I did that, I had like kind of this framework to be able to find these moments in my past and mine those emotions that I really wanted to feel. I created this whole process, almost like a menu of ways that I wanted to feel. This has been so much fun to implement in my life that I really want to have you have these tools in 2026. I want you to be able to choose how you want to feel in 2026. And so I've put together a workshop that I'm offering the second Saturday of January, and I sure would love to see you there. Let's work together to figure out how you want to feel in 2026 and give you the roadmap to get there.